Sashiko or Sashiko, depending on what you say. I'm sure if you ask the experts, I probably got it totally wrong. I'm going to give you a quick insight into Sashiko. Sashiko quilting is a Japanese form of stitch, and it's usually done in white thread on a navy blue background. When I used to teach City and Guilds, it was part of the curriculum. You had to do a little bit about that, and obviously I bought the books. I've got the Classic Quilting of Sashiko, which has got all sorts of Japanese ideas and designs in it, but a company has done some rather neat ways of making up designs, and they're selling a series of these designs, and you can buy them like this, and indeed there is a kit. The designs themselves represent the Sashiko designs, and this one is your 7 treasures and this one is your cherry blossom. You've simply got to make sure that you have the same number of stitches in every line. And if we look at this panel, there's X amount of stitches in that bit for that particular design, but when you change designs, you might have more stitches.